Astel, Kevin just come.
Bano bakobwa batatu bagomba bagende hariya.
The 3 girls they're about to move. But you don't want. You're gonna stop them. Genda.
Bano bakobwa nabo gerageza gute bashaka kurengana abo bagabo.
Though they may try, they cannot move.
Kuko barabaruta ingufu.
Because as more than them return back.
Now bano bakobwa baragarutse.
Those girls they come back, they speak to each other. That way, it is not easy. Let God be with us. And that's we're gonna follow.
God is coming.
Those young girls are no longer appearing, but they continue to join those men. Do you think I'm going to stop them?
You see, when God is in front of the battle, when God is in your front of your battle, Imana ariyo akizi ambara mu buzima bwawe. Imana ariyo ikibanza cyambara mu buzima bwawe. Imana ariyo kubanziriza imbere. Igihe Jehova ariyo ahagaze imbere. Uzorenga n'abandi batarenga. Uzorenga n'abandi batigeze barenga. Listen family. Abantu benshi twarayisize inyuma. Abantu benshi twarayisize inyuma. Tukuma tuyitokera. Ariko twarayishize inyuma. Ikirabivamo. Nari umwana w'umubwira gisagara. Nari umusani. Nararirimba. Ndarondera ndabura. Ubukene ku bundi. Umunsi nakijijwe. Ndashira Yesu imbere. Imodoka ntaguriye mu isi. Narayiguze kubw'Imana. Ubukene bwarambishije.
No matter poverty in front of me.
Sit down. I'm the same person. Amatama ni ayandi.
The same cheeks.
Amaso ni ayandi.
The same eyes.
Amenyo ni ayandi.
The same teeth.
Ego.
Indeed.
Icyahindutse ni izina.
What changes the name?
Kuko nubu.
Because
hari abambona bakavuga sisuguce uyu.
Those who look at me they say this is
kuko baribuka isura.
But they remember the face.
Icyo gihe.
By that moment.
Ubupfubyi bwari bwahagaze imbere.
That was a great
sinari kurengana.
I could not pass by.
Nari ngowe jewe mu.
I was so greatly